Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach regarding data handling, chapter 3rd. What is data handling? In simple way, data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording, and presenting information in a way that is helpful to other, for instance, in graphs or charts. In previous classes, we have learned to collect data, tabulate, and put it in the form of bar graphs. Now, and you also know that all data give us some sort of information. Now, we will study first arithmetic datas. Arithmetic means. What is arithmetic means? The most common representative values of a group of data is the arithmetic mean or the mean. The arithmetic mean equals to sum of all observation upon number of observation. So consider an example. Example: Ashish studies for 4 hours, 5 hours, and 3 hours respectively on 3 consecutive days. How many hours does he study daily on an average? So the average study time of Ashish would be first arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean equals to sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation, first observation 4, second 5th, and third 3. 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon number of observation 3. 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12. 12 upon 3 equals to 4. So arithmetic mean equals to 4 hours. So we can say that Ashish studies for 4 hours daily on an average. Now next topic, range. What is range? The difference between the highest and the lowest observation is called range. The difference between the highest and lowest observation the difference between the highest and lowest observation, that is called range. That is highest value, formula of range, highest value minus lowest value. Lowest value. Now we comes next question number first. Find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. The heights of 10 students of class are in centimeter. We can take any 10 heights: 30 centimeter, 32, 40, 38, 37, 45, 35, 42, 41 and 44. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are these heights of 10 students. The highest value is 45 centimeter and lowest value is 30 centimeter. What is the range? Range equals to the difference between highest value and lowest value. Highest value 45 minus lowest value 30. So range will be 30. 40 minus 30 equals to 15 centimeter. Now we comes next question number second. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. 8, 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 4, 6, 7. These are datas. We have to find the four values. Which number is the highest? Which number is the lowest? What is the range of the data? And find the arithmetic mean. First, organize the following marks in a class assignment in a tabular form. First, we have to represent the class assignment in a tabular form. So, make a table. First, we will make a table. One column is marks, second telemarks, and third is frequency. There are 9 digits in the given assignments. 9 marks, 1 up to 9 marks. Only one student got. 1 marks, only one student got. So telemark first. Frequency is 1. 2 marks. How many students got 2 marks? 1, 2. There are 2 students. Telemarks 1 and 2. And frequency is 2. 3, 1. 1 time 3. So this is telemark and frequency is 1. 4 marks. 1, 2, 3 students got 4 marks. 1, 2, 3 telemarks and frequency is 3. 5 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students got 5 marks. Then telemarks 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth telemark, that is, and this is 5. फिफ्थ टेलीमार्क्स के लिए 4 स्ट्रेट वर्टिकल लाइन में होंगे, फिफ्थ ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन में होंगे. फिफ्थ टेलीमार्क ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन में. 6, how many students got 6 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4 students. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is frequency. 7, 1, 2 time. Frequency 2. 8, 1, only 1 time. 9, 1 time. Frequency is 1 and 1. So we have presented the following marks in a class assignment in a tabular form. Now give the answers. Which number is the highest? 9 is the highest. Which number is the lowest? 1. Which is the range of the data? Highest minus lowest. 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Find the arithmetic mean. Number of frequency total 20. This is 20. Number of frequency 20. And number total of observation, sum of observation, these are 100. 100 upon 20 equals to 5. 5 is arithmetic mean. So let us solve. The highest number is 9, lowest number is 1, range highest minus lowest equals to 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Arithmetic mean sum of observation upon number of observation. In table, sum of observation 100 and number of observation 20. So 100 upon 20 equals to 5. That is arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is 5. Complete. Now I will explain next question in next online video. Thank you.